What are the features of Java? Yeah, guys, can anyone tell what are the features? Features, right? Robust, secure, okay. Object oriented, yes. Pranay, good Pranay. Interpreted, yeah. Platform independent, yes. Yeah, platform independent. Arshita, good Arshita. Secure, okay. Multi-threaded, very good. Simple and secure. Yeah, first one is simple and secure. Yeah, second one, portable. Yeah, platform independent. Yeah, dynamic, multi-threaded, robust. Yeah, next, multi-threaded, object-oriented. Yeah, next, multi-threaded, architectural neutral. Yeah, distributed. Yeah, any other? Portable language. Yeah, it's a portable. Nothing but a platform independent, you can say, and portable also. Portable is different, and platform dependent is different. Okay, portable also. Portable means easy to mobile. Platform independent is different, and portable is different. Okay. Yeah, guys. Can anyone tell why it's a simple? Java is simple, huh? Yeah, I will give a chance to speak, guys. Guys, I am giving a chance to speak. You can share your ideas. Java is simple and secure. Guys, I want response from you. Then only I will continue the sessions. If you did not give a response, I will stop. Java, I won't start. Okay, not like that. C and data structure. I want response from you. I have unmuted. Okay, I have given chance to unmute. You can talk. Yeah, why is it's a simple and secured object oriented? Huh? Yeah, Ramya. There is no need to remove and refresh the objects because it's object oriented. Why simple? Because if you know the syntaxes of C and C++, we can write in Java also. Yeah, you know, guys, syntax and then C++ syntax are complex than Java. It has automatic garbage collection. Yeah, we did not write that option, right? Automatic garbage collection also. Nine. It's also feature, guys. Ninth one. Memory management is good in Java when compared to C. Coding is small compared to C and C++. Yeah, Sweta, very good, Sweta, good answer. Yeah, I will ask, can you elaborate that question? Coding is small. Why coding is small? Runs program virtually. Kirtana, what is mean by virtually? It is having access specifiers. Huh? Yeah, very good, guys. I will tell you simple because it removed complicated features like pointer. Very good, Jahnavi. I expected the same answer, right? Very good, Jahnavi. Good, Jahnavi. Yeah, this is our answer, guys. Jahnavi has given answer. Simple because it removed complicated features like pointers. That is very simple, guys. In Java, there is no pointers concept. There is no pointers concept. That's why it's a simple language. Why secured? Because pointers, there is no pointers in Java. Guys, there is no pointers in Java. Important point, all of you. Why it is a simple first point, right? Why it is simple? Because there is no in C and C++. In C and C++, complex topics are what? Complex topics are pointers. That complex topic is pointers. That concept removed. That complex means, for example, see, if you take pointers like this, for example, two-dimensional array, three-dimensional array, I want to write, guys. Yeah, two-dimensional array, how to write, guys? See, you can write like this. For example, yeah, 5 pointers, using pointers. This one, how to write, guys? You know, right? We use the pointers. Star of a plus I plus j. Yeah, we have to, we write like this, complex. For example, if you have three-dimensional array, a plus, yeah, star of again star of again star of a plus I plus j plus k. Clear? Clear? A of ij we write star of star. This is a complex. While writing, see, it is a complex topic, guys. Point is that in that complex topic they removed in Java. Pointers concept is a complex topic in C and C++. That concept removed. That's why it's a simple. Clear? Secure. Why it is secured? Yeah, second point, right? Why it is secured? Yeah, guys, tell me why it's secured. Yeah, very good. Neeraj, can you elaborate and tell? Neeraj, you can unmute and you can talk. Neeraj Kumar.
Sir, by increasing the values of pointers, we can access the other elements. So
How?
by removing the pointers, it is secured.
By increasing means what, man? By increasing the
By
pointer.
increasing the value of the pointers, sir.
How? How to increase?
For example, in an array, if you have a pointer to the first element, by increasing it, we can access the second, third elements.
Very good. Very good, Neeraj. Nice, good. For example, not only, see guys, what is the disadvantage of pointers? I will tell you. Uh, for example, this is a, see, you know, right, hacking, guys, how they hack your computer or your PC or your mobile. You know, right, how they are doing simply nowadays, they are sending one message. Okay, one link they will send. For example, they are sending one link. Okay, when you click on that link, what happens, how it works? Okay, I will tell you guys. For example, they will send one pointer, guys. Okay, that's if you click on this pointer, what happens? Click on this link, that pointer will be point to some other location in your machine. For example, I will tell you first, this is your machine memory locations. For example, see guys, 1000 memory locations are there, 1000 bytes. Assume what I am saying. Yeah, listen carefully. It's a machine, right? You have 1000 to 2000. This is a bytes. This byte address is what? 1000, guys. This byte address, assume guys 2000. Okay, 2000 bytes you have your machine, right? 1000, 1001, 1002, 1003. This is a 1015, right? You got one address, guys. This is a PTR. This is a PTR. Okay, PTR installed here. PTR, right? Pointing this address. Can you access this total value in this memory? Some value is there. Okay, every memory, nothing, memory means what, guys? See, in my machine total data is there. This is the data, this is also data, this is also data. Okay, on pointer address, you know, every memory location, nothing but see, this is a 5000. See this, my computer size is how much? 500 GB. This is what 4 GB RAM it is. 500 GB hard disk, right? We have hard disk also. 4 GB RAM, right? Clear? There. This is 200 GB, 200, 140, and total 500 GB hard disk is there. Okay, in this 500, we have some memory. Okay, so in that memory, we have data. Okay, in one address, you know, one pointer, guys. You know, one pointer. If you know this pointer, we can access this data, next data also. How to access next data, guys? PTR plus plus. You are say ptr plus plus next address data also, next data. Can you access entire your computer data? Yes, we can. Entire data we can access, guys. Are you following? If you know one address, total computer data we can access. If you know one address, one pointer installed in your machine, total data you can access. That is in hacking. What happens when you click on link, one pointer will point your memory location. Through that they can access entire data from your machine. Okay, clear? That is a simple and secure. That concept removed, that a pointers concept removed. Because of pointers there is no security. I told you, right? You got it. Why it's not, pointers are not secured. మీకు ఒక మెమరీ లొకేషన్ తెలిస్తే, ఒక మెమరీ లొకేషన్ యాక్సెస్ చేస్తే టోటల్ ఎంటైర్ మెమరీ లొకేషన్స్ మొత్తాన్ని యాక్సెస్ చేయొచ్చు. ఇఫ్ యూ యాక్సెస్ వన్ మెమరీ లొకేషన్, we can access entire memory location of your computer or mobile. Clear? That's why it's not secured. Pointers are not secured. That concept removed. That's why it's a secure language, guys. Clear it is? Yeah. Second point is what? Platform independent. Yeah, guys. C is a platform independent or platform dependent? C is a platform independent or
ప్లాట్ఫామ్ డిపెండెంట్ కదా.
platform?
ఏమని
C is a platform dependent.
ప్లాట్ఫామ్ డిపెండెంట్ కదా.
Platform dependent means what? Platform dependent means what? .c file cannot be executed, Rakesh? Yeah, guys. C language is a platform independent only. Guys, C language is platform independent or dependent? Yeah, Neeraj. Vaishnavi. It is closely linked to the OS kernel, which is different for different OS. Partially independent, I guess. Kirtana. What is mean by platform dependent? చెప్పండి అసలు ప్లాట్ఫామ్ డిపెండెంట్ అంటే ఏంది? Shweta. In Java, if you write code, we can access in other software, but C we can't do that. They can be compiled only on specific machines. Compiled, running, it depends on the OS. Dependent on the architecture of the machine. Neeraj. Yeah, guys, platform dependent ante what is mean by platform dependent? Only particular OS కి మాత్రమే రన్ అవుతుందని అర్థం. సి ఓన్లీ పర్టికులర్ ఓఎస్ కి రన్ అవుతుందా? See, application is different. C language is different, guys. C language and C application. C language is platform independent only. Independent. C application is platform dependent. Are you following, guys? అప్లికేషన్ అంటే ఏంటి? కోడ్ అంతా రాసేకొచ్చేది అప్లికేషన్, అంతేనా? అప్లికేషన్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ డిపెండెంట్. సి లాంగ్వేజ్ అనేది ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ఇండిపెండెంట్. అంటే ఎక్కడైనా సి రాస్తే అది ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది. బట్ అప్లికేషన్ నేను విండోస్లో రాశాను అనుకోండి ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, అది విండోస్లోనే రన్ అవుతుంది, అది ప్లాట్ఫామ్ డిపెండెంట్. లైనక్స్లో రన్ అవ్వదు, మ్యాక్లో రన్ అవ్వదు, సోలారిస్లో రన్ అవ్వదు. సి అప్లికేషన్ ఈజ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ డిపెండెంట్. Clear? Why Java platform independent? Why Java is platform independent? For example, when it comes to Java language is platform independent. Java application is what is? Java application. This is Java language. Java language, Java application. It is also platform independent. This is also platform independent. I think you understood, right? Java application also platform independent. C application also platform independent. C application is platform dependent. Languages are platform. C ni ekkadaina run cheyochu. For example, C program. I have written C program. Program చెప్తున్నా. .c source file. మీకు అప్లికేషన్ అంటే .exe వస్తుంది. Application is .exe. Okay. For example, see guys. See, these are called application files. This is application files. Some exe files. Okay, this is exe files, guys. Okay, na? See, I will show you. Exe files will be there. Welcome to C++. This is application file. Okay. Yeah, this is what? It is a program. It is a program, guys. Are you following? It's a program. This is C program, C application. It's a C application. This is C application. This is what? C program. ఇది ఎక్కడైనా రాయొచ్చు, ఎక్కడైనా ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయొచ్చు. విండోస్లో ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది, లైనక్స్లో ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది, ఎక్కడైనా ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది. బట్ ఈ .exe ఫైల్ ఉందనుకోండి, ఇది విండోస్లోనే రన్ అవుతుంది. అది ఇట్స్ అ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ఇండిపెండెంట్. It's a platform dependent. Clear? What is platform dependent and platform independent? And tomorrow we'll continue this session, guys. What are other features? Got you? You understood, guys? What is platform? Platform means OS here. Rakesh cannot be transferred. Transfer aina gana అది execute avadu. Execution ikkada important. Yeah, Vaishnav. Platform dependent means applications run only particular platform. Yeah, guys. Tomorrow we'll continue, guys. Thank you. Guys, I'm expecting a response from you. My response is there. I will continue the session, Java. Okay? Mobiles के apps అంటాం శివ సుమంత్ మొబైల్స్ కి యాప్స్ అంటాం ఓకే కంప్యూటర్లో రన్ అయ్యే వాటిని అప్లికేషన్స్ అంటాం మొబైల్ వాటికి మొబైల్ యాప్స్ అంటారు అంతే కంప్యూటర్ వాటికి అప్లికేషన్స్ అంటాం ఓకే యా గైస్ థ్యాంక్ యూ